Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by choosing a spot next to water. Palm trees read as coastal, so place it on sand or grass close to a shoreline. Gather 8 to 16 log blocks for the trunk, 20 to 40 leaf blocks for fronds, plus 4 to 8 fence or bamboo pieces for accents. Once done, set up scaffolding or a ladder. This makes building vertical shapes easier. Make sure to bring shears and bone meal to shape foliage quickly and to save time. Now raise a tall, skinny trunk. Stack 4 to 7 logs straight up to match a realistic palm ratio. If you want a leaning palm, place the base, then offset the trunk by 1 block and continue upwards. This creates organic curvature. Add fences or bamboo pieces near the top to taper the silhouette before the fronds. Make sure to mix log orientations for texture, rotating log faces, or alternating species. At the top, place 5 to 7 long leaf arms radiating outward. Make some arms longer, some shorter, so the crown reads natural. Use leaf blocks in layered, staggered rows and shear them to create tapered tips. Place a few slabs or buttons near the center as coconuts for detail. Once done, step back and inspect the silhouette from multiple angles. If the crown looks too blocky, remove or stagger leaf blocks to soften the outline. This fixes most visual issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.